Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline styles. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS outline style with dotted value. Right now, back to our document, we are having this from in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS margin, CSS border, CSS padding, and this is our box model, CSS box model. So quickly, back to our code. I'm going to be specifying something right here. If you don't know how we did all this, you can check our playlist. We have different playlists for all this margin, border, padding. So I just make it simple. That's why I'm using all this. You can check the playlist if you don't know how we got it. I really explain it in deep sense. So quickly, let's select our fit set element. We are trying to target this fit set element which we wrote on CSS box model there. So now let's target it. The fit set element. I'm going to target it and I'm going to give it outline. Outline what? Outline style, because we are trying to use style of what? Style of dotted. I'm going to specify style of dotted right here. As you can see, we're trying to use dotted style. When I save my document and reload, you're going to see what will happen. This, keep looking at this place. Don't you forget now, we discussed that the outline is the line that is after the border. So definitely we are having this our preset element is having this gray border. So definitely the outline is going to show outside it. So can you see when I reload, I'm having this dotted border around it, outside it now. So let me control this again so you can be able to see it clearly where exactly it stays. So I have one property I have not discussed about yet, which is outline offset. This outline offset, I'm going to be using it to display something for you guys for now, so you can be able to see. Yes, as you can see how it's looking now. I purposely use the outline offset so you can be able to see where this our outline really located. In our future tutorial, I'm going to be explaining this, the benefit of using this outline offset. Just let us be managing it for now so you guys can be seeing how I'm doing things. Firstly, let me really tell you one thing right here. This outline right here, we are having it now behind our what? Behind our gray border that we specify right here. Let's imagine we want to have it behind our red border here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to carry this. Let's comment this out. Let's just carry this at once, not to waste our time. Come inside our border, come inside our body element, paste all these two values and save your document. Now let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see? Now we are having it outside our body element. That's how you can specify outlines. Outline is the line you can find behind your word, behind your border. And as you can see, this is our border, and now these dotted things you are seeing around after our border right here, after our red border right here, is our outline. So I want you guys to understand this deeply. Don't you forget, the reason why, and let me quickly tell you one of the reasons why I use this offset here. The reason why I use this outline offset is because I want to be able to see this thing very well. But in our future today, I'm going to explain it in depth so you can be able to understand how it also works in deep details. But let's just focus on this dotted outline style for now, because I don't want you to mix this. So this outline dotted is so important for us. That's why we use it now. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Thank you so much. Bye bye.